More breaking news coming in as we speak. ABVP is now it's dominated the Delhi University polls. ABVP, which is the student wing of the BJP, has bagged the president and three key posts. The NSUI, which is the student wing of the Congress party, has won one post, that is that of the vice president. Let's get in Shreya, my colleague, to tell us more in terms of what the results have been like. And well, it looks like ABVP continues its winning streak, Shreya.
Absolutely, I'm reporting from Delhi University, which has turned into this mini showroom of democracy. The Delhi University student elections came to a dramatic end with ABVP dominating three positions. President, Secretary and Joint Secretary, and of course NSUI has also won one position. And I'm joined by students here who are very excited about the new student leaders who will be working for the betterment of the campus issues. There are very many issues here. So I'll go straight to the students here. बहुत close margin में जीते हैं ABVP. आपको क्या लगता है रिजल्ट से आप खुश हैं?
हाँ, मतलब खुशी है, बट थोड़ा NSUI वगैरह का भी था, होप थी, बट ठीक है, ABVP जीते, उन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से किया, अच्छा लगा, बट ठीक।
तो ABVP का जो प्रेसिडेंट पोस्ट में जीता है आर्यन, उसने बोला है कि मेट्रो के लिए सब्सिडाइज पासेस मिलने वाले हैं
हमें, हाँ, स्टूडेंट्स को। वो इवन पिछले साल का भी था जो रौनक खत्री ने उठाया था। हम चाहेंगे कि हमें मेट्रो कंसेशन मिले, हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है, क्योंकि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स होते जो 2 आवर्स का टाइम ट्रेवल करके आते, टाइम नहीं, हाँ, सो उन्हें बेनिफिशियली रहेगा, क्योंकि रोज के 50 रुपये कौन अफोर्ड करेगा, 50 जाने के 50 आने के। सो अगर कंसेशन मिलता है तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
And if we talk about the, the fun part of Delhi University student elections, we cannot overlook the fact the high voltage campaigning, right before the elections that happened, that also included some fun elements. आप बताओ, DUSU elections आपने बोला कि it's the best part about studying in Delhi University. What was the most fun thing that you experienced during the campaigning?
Mostly I guess बहुत सारे कैंपेन हुए थे अलग अलग स्पॉट पे, जैसे हंसराज में, तो कभी SRCC में, हर जगह हुए हैं। और बहुत सारे फ्री फूड्स, बल्कि मूवीज़ भी दिखाए गए थे। और कभी कभार PG में भी आ जाते हैं और आपको हेल्प कुछ चाहिए होगा, कुछ चाहिए तो सब कुछ वो लोग पूछते थे। तो एवरीथिंग इज फन, लाइक यू शुड एक्सपीरियंस इट, इट्स समथिंग लाइक दैट इन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, सो ऑब्वियसली।
So free food, free movie tickets right before casting your vote. That's quite a fun part of student elections, right?
हाँ, फन पार्ट मेनली ये होता है कि जो इलेक्शंस की तरफ मतलब चीज़ें होती है उसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा आती है उसे देखने में। लोग कैंपेनिंग कर रहे हैं, वोट मांगने आ रहे हैं, अपनी क्या वो चीज़ें बता रही क्या करने वाले हो वो लोग आगे, वो चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है इधर की। हर एक कॉलेज में होना चाहिए, मैं तो बोलता हूँ, अगर कोई यूनियन का रहा तो, क्योंकि EDU में सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा शायद से पूरे इंडिया के अंदर।
Do you think all colleges should be allowed to participate in the elections? That's right. And also, if we talk about the issues of Delhi University, there are several issues, be it of hygiene, of infrastructure, and of also for students with disabilities, how the infrastructure is not as accessible to them. And Aryan, who has won the president's post, who is from ABVP, the BJP's student wing, he has promised that he will conduct audit reports to make infrastructure more accessible for people with disability. But if we talk about, women's participation in the student elections, we have seen quite a vibrant representation, especially from the left parties. But if you had to say, how was your experience, seeing those, female students, campaigning, but in ABVP we saw Diksha winning a post. So what are your expectations?
I mean, it's a very good thing at women भी वो बहुत
Was
ज़्यादा
Shreya speaking to several of those young voters who voted in the Delhi University elections, where ABVP has swept the polls once again.